Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad won't boot up, it's likely due to a failing hard drive. This can occur for several reasons, such as physical damage or corruption of the drive. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to data loss or further complications with your device. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new compatible hard drive for your Lenovo Ideapad. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Flip the Ideapad over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to force it as there may be clips holding it in place. Once the panel is off, you should see the hard drive. It will be secured with a few screws. Take your Phillips screwdriver again and remove these screws. After that, you can gently slide the hard drive out of its bay. Be cautious when handling it, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new hard drive and slide it into the bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Once in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Afterwards, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until you hear it click into place. Reinsert all the screws to ensure everything is secure. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad. If it boots up successfully, you can begin reinstalling your operating system and restoring your data. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you regularly back up your data, keep your device clean and free from dust, and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.